Hello guys and welcome to RNscrub. Today we're going to be going over how to use Chirp Wheel Plus. Now this isn't your normal foam roller. In fact, they don't even like being called foam rollers. This company has made it so that it's much easier to support your weight and also your back. As you see here, right in the middle, there's a spinal canal, and that is where you can line up your back and your spine so that you can easily roll out your muscles around it. It's not causing so much stress. In addition to this, you see here that it has PVC-like material on the inside, so it's very sturdy, and then the foam is very comfortable as well. It has four-way stretch, and again with the patent-pending spinal canal. Alright guys, so normally after the gym or after running, after work, you want to stretch out. So your back is extremely important, as is the rest of your body, but you really need to utilize the tools available to you. And so you could do your normal stretches like we're doing right here, but sometimes it's just not enough. This is where the suggestion for the Chirp Wheel comes in. And you can really feel the difference. Straight from their website, it states that it has relaxing four-way stretch with patent-pending spinal canal, as you've seen previously. It also offers deep tissue massage with ergonomic design. It has lasting relief with only 5 minutes of rolling out. So as you see here, I'm going to go for the Chirp Wheel. And it also boasts that you could help yourself get better sleep by relaxing the tension in your neck, your upper back, and lower back. Now as you see here, you basically want to make sure that your hair is out of the way for one. There's numerous ways to use this, but this is one of them. So you lift up your hips, you center it so that your spine is right in the middle of that spinal canal, and then you simply stretch. So this is the medium size. The Chirp comes in 3 different sizes. So the 6-inch deep tissue, it goes at $45. This 10-inch medium, which is $55, and a 12-inch, which is the gentle one. Now they also come in a 3-wheel pack, currently at $99. And then it also has the Ultimate Back Pain Bundle, which is currently $119. And this is January 2nd that I'm doing this review. So if you guys want to go on that website, go ahead and check them out. Let's go a little bit further into the stretch. You can really get deep tissue massage through this, and even though this is the medium size Chirp Wheel, you feel the pressure points where they need to be felt, not directly on your spine like normal wheel rollers are, or foam rollers. But as you see here, it's quite simple to use, and you can use it for as long as you like, making sure that you get all the nooks and crannies where you need to be stretched out. And you can even place it behind your back like this and simply relieve your tension in your neck and your back. And after you're done, you can continue the rest of your stretches. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions about this, or if you guys have used it, don't hesitate on commenting down in the section below. Give us the questions and give us suggestions also. As usual, thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to our RNscrub channel. Bye-bye.